In today's video, we're going to do question 5 of tutorial 4. The population of Bangladesh was estimated to be 105 million in 1995. In 2010, it was 148 million. If the population continues growing at a constant relative growth rate, and there is 144,000 kilometers square of land in the country, in what year will there be 10 meters squared of land per person? The relative growth rate is the derivative of P of t over P of t. The average relative growth rate is given by this equation. For the solution, we are going to let A equals to 1995 and B equals to 2010. We are going to let our average relative growth rate equals to K. When we put in all our values, we get that K is equals to 0.027. K is also equals to the relative growth rate, which is equals to the derivative of P of t over P of t. And then we separate that equation to get dp 1 over p is equals to k dt. We integrate on both sides to get ln p equals to kt plus c. We solve for p and we get p is equals to e to the kt plus c. Kt, which is then equals to e to the kt times e to the c. We let e to the c equals a. Therefore, we get a e to the kt is equals to p. We then solve for a by substituting in the values for the initial year. So we have a is equals to e to the k of the initial year, which is 0, is equals to 105, and that's in 1995. We then get that a is equals to 105 million. So we're trying to solve for when the population will get 10 meters of land per person. So for that to happen, there must be 14,400 million people. We then put that into the equation and solve for t. And we get that t is 183 years. So to get the year in which each person will get 10 meters square of land, we add 183 years to 1995. And we get that the year will be 2178. Thank you.